Welcome to this introduction to waves. Waves are one of the most fundamental concepts in physics, appearing everywhere in nature from the ocean to sound to light itself. In this video, we'll explore what waves are and how they transfer energy through space and matter. So what exactly is a wave? At its core, a wave is a disturbance that travels through space and matter. Think of it as a disruption or a change that moves from one place to another. When you drop a stone into a pond, the ripples that spread outward are waves. When you speak, your vocal cords create disturbances in the air that travel as sound waves. This traveling disturbance is the essence of what we call a wave. Here's the most important thing to understand about waves. Waves transfer energy, not matter. This is crucial. When a wave moves through a medium, the particles of that medium don't travel along with the wave. Instead, they oscillate in place, passing energy to their neighbors. For example, when ocean waves move across the water itself doesn't travel forward. The water molecules move up and down, but the energy moves horizontally across the surface. This is the fundamental principle that defines all wave behavior. Wave motion involves two key components. First, there's oscillation, which is the repeated back and forth motion of particles in the medium. Think of a pendulum swinging or a spring bouncing up and down. Second, there's propagation, which means the disturbance travels outward from its source. So while individual particles oscillate in place, the overall disturbance propagates or spreads out through the medium. These two aspects working together create the wave motion we observe in nature. Waves can be created by many different types of disturbances. Vibrating objects like a guitar string or a tuning fork create waves in the surrounding medium. Moving air, such as wind blowing across water, generates waves on the surface. Electric charges, when they accelerate, produce electromagnetic waves, and Earth movements, like those during earthquakes, create seismic waves that travel through the planet's crust. Each of these disturbances initiates a wave that carries energy away from the source. Mechanical waves require a medium to travel through. They cannot exist in empty space. Water waves need water, sound waves need air or another material, and seismic waves need the solid earth. These waves work by transferring energy from particle to particle through the medium. When one particle moves, it pushes or pulls on its neighbor, which then affects the next particle, and so on. This chain reaction allows the wave to propagate through the material. In contrast to mechanical waves, electromagnetic waves do not need a medium to travel. They can move through the vacuum of empty space. Light is the most familiar example. It travels from the sun through the emptiness of space to reach Earth. Radio waves carry signals through the air and space to your devices. All electromagnetic waves, including visible light, radio waves, microwaves, and X-rays, share this unique ability to propagate without requiring any material medium. The defining characteristic of all waves is how they propagate energy. Energy moves from point to point through the medium or through space. Imagine dropping a pebble in a calm pond. The energy from the impact doesn't stay at the point where the pebble hit. Instead, it spreads outward in all directions as waves. The energy travels through the water, moving farther and farther from the source, even though the water itself stays in roughly the same place. This is energy propagation through wave motion. Waves are everywhere in our daily lives. Ocean waves transfer energy from wind through the water, creating the motion we see at beaches. Musical instruments produce vibrations that create sound waves, allowing us to hear music and speech. Cell phone signals use electromagnetic waves to carry information wirelessly across vast distances. Earthquakes generate seismic waves that carry energy through Earth's layers, sometimes causing destruction far from the epicenter. Understanding waves helps us comprehend all of these phenomena and many more. Let's summarize the key characteristics of waves. First, waves transfer energy from one location to another. Second, they involve oscillations, the repeated motion of particles or fields. Third, the disturbance propagates, meaning it travels through space or a medium. And finally, some waves need a medium to travel through, like sound and water waves, while others, like light and radio waves, can travel through empty space. These fundamental properties define what waves are and how they behave throughout the universe.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.